All right, Kaspa holders. So today is currently the 6th of November 2025, and Kaspa is currently trading at 4 cents. Okay, so we know Kaspa has in fact been dropping for the past few days, right? A couple of days ago, we did in fact see Kaspa above 5 cents, and now it has dropped back below 5 cents and it's now at these 4 cent levels. And you guys need to understand it's not just Kaspa that is dropping, okay? We are in fact seeing other altcoins dropping for the past few days, and of course Bitcoin. Pretty much the entire crypto market is dropping, guys. Okay, and I really am taking this as a huge opportunity to buy and load up as much Kaspa as I possibly can, since it is now at these 4 cent levels. You guys need to understand, okay, and maybe you guys do already understand, but maybe a fair few of you guys don't understand this yet. But this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy Kaspa at these 4 cent levels. Like, this is truly a gift. Okay, you guys need to understand, right? We're not gonna see Kaspa at these cheap prices forever. Okay, we're not gonna see Kaspa staying, okay, below 10 cents forever. We're not gonna see cheap Kaspa forever, guys. Okay, eventually we're gonna see Kaspa having a beautiful breakout from this downtrend, because we know Kaspa has been on a downtrend for over a year now, ever since it did in fact reach a high of 20 cents to where it is right now. It's been on a downtrend, but I told you guys many times, it's gonna have a beautiful breakout. Once we do see a breakout happening for Kaspa and it goes back up to its previous highs of 20 cents, and of course reaching new highs, and eventually, right, Kaspa will be in the dollar ranges, meaning it's going to be at $1, $5 to $10 to $20 and beyond. That's going to be happening for Kaspa, guys. So once that does happen, we're not going to see Kaspa going back down to these price levels where we are right now, seeing it, okay, below 10 cents at these 4 cent levels. So understand, guys, we're not going to see cheap Kaspa forever, and this is why I've been telling guys many times, this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity to load up as much as you possibly can. This is the moment to load up, guys, as much as you possibly can. It really is a gift right now, okay, truly. So that's why personally, guys, I've been accumulating and loading up a lot of Kaspa, okay, and I hope you guys are in fact taking this as an opportunity to load up as well. Like, if you guys have truly studied Kaspa, okay, and you understand where this project is heading long term, right, you would not be losing faith in it, okay, and you would be buying as much as you possibly can and holding majority of the Kaspa that you are loading up, okay, for long term, because you understand where Kaspa is heading. It's truly going to be the next big thing. So looking at the Kaspa price today, guys, right, man, it is looking amazing. This is such a beautiful opportunity to load up more on Kaspa, guys. So like I said, okay, a couple of days ago, we did in fact see Kaspa above 5 cents, okay, and then I had this correction down all the way down to about 0.041, okay, but I had this, okay, today, Kaspa is having this beautiful bounce back up, okay, slightly, nothing too crazy, right, but right now it's currently trading at 0.046, so Kaspa is still at these 4 cent levels, and yeah, this is truly, okay, a gift to buy some Kaspa at these 4 cent levels, right? It really is. And I told you guys many times, we may see Kaspa going much lower. That is possible. There is potential for that, for Kaspa to, even go lower than 4 cents. Okay, it may go down to 3 cents, even down to 2 cents, right? That is possible. There is potential for that. Okay, but understand, guys, if Kaspa does go lower, okay, yes, of course, you should take that as an opportunity to buy more. And of course, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, okay? But this is the bottom. I told you guys this many times. This is pretty much the bottom for Kaspa, okay? If 4 cents is not the bottom for Kaspa, okay, then yes, it can go lower. Like, this is pretty much near the bottom. Like I said, okay, it can go down to 3 cents to even 2 cents, right? We don't know, okay, no one out there exactly knows where the floor will be for Kaspa. No one knows where Kaspa, like how much Kaspa will go, lower before it has a bounce back up, because I do believe that's going to be happening for Kaspa, right, eventually. So we don't know where the bottom exactly is for Kaspa, right? We don't know where the floor is, But either way, no matter where the floor is, guys, we're going to see Kaspa having a beautiful bounce back up to the upside. Okay, this downtrend that Kaspa has been forming for over a year now, it reached a high of 20 cents. Okay, and ever since then, it's just been going down, right? You guys clearly see that it's been forming this downtrend. Okay, you guys clearly see that. But I really do believe eventually, okay, Kaspa's not going to go down forever, right? It's going to have a beautiful bounce back up to the upside. Okay, it's going to go back up to 8 cents, and then 10 cents, and then 13 cents, 15 cents, and then eventually back up to its previous size of 20 cents. And it's not going to stop there. It's going to be reaching new all-time highs. So understand, guys, we're not going to see cheap Kaspa forever. This is your opportunity right now to load up as much as you possibly can. Okay, so like I said, Kaspa today is looking a little bit better, right? Today it is up 8%. Okay, just over 8%, so not too bad, right? But look at this, okay, for the week, we are down over 20%, okay, 21%, okay, and for the month, we are down over 40%, right? So this is still such a great opportunity to buy Kaspa, guys. It's still at these 4-cent levels, and I told you guys, right, if I do see Kaspa going back down to 4 cents, right, this was a couple of days ago when Kaspa was above like 5 cents, I told you guys, right, if I do see Kaspa going back down to 4 cents, right, back down to these 4-cent levels, I'm going to take it as an opportunity to buy more. Okay, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Today is pretty much DCA day, and I'm going to buy more Kaspa. Okay, so yeah, I posted this a couple of days ago saying dips are for buying. Okay, personally, I'm buying Bitcoin and Kaspa during this dip. So as you guys know or don't know, right, if you guys have been following me for a while now, I've been telling you guys many times, okay, my main focus right now, long term, okay, when I'm investing into crypto, is just Bitcoin and Kaspa. This is all I'm buying. I'm not buying any more Ethereum. I'm not buying any more, Chainlink, right, Solana, okay, any of these other altcoins that I used to buy, right, that I used to invest in. I still do believe, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Solana, right, are still great, long-term investments. But ever since I came across Kaspa, my mindset has changed so much. Okay, once I studied Kaspa, I just knew there is so much more potential for Kaspa. Like, this is truly going to be, the next big thing. Okay, so yeah, I'm all in, guys, on both Bitcoin and Kaspa. This is all I'm focusing on right now. I'm accumulating is Bitcoin and Kaspa. Okay, so I'm buying Bitcoin and Kaspa during this dip. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you guys personally buying? I would love to know. Okay, now I also said this a couple of days ago saying becoming a Kaspa dolphin is even easier right now, which it is. Okay, if you guys have this goal in mind, okay, that you guys want to become a Kaspa dolphin, you want to be in this category of becoming a dolphin, okay, understand this is the most easiest time to do that right now. Kaspa, okay, it's super undervalued. It's at 4 cents, guys. Like I said, we're not going to see Kaspa at these cheap prices forever. Okay, and understand, once Kaspa does reach new highs, it's going to be so much more harder for people to become dolphins. This is truly the easiest time right now to become a Kaspa dolphin. Okay, so to become a Kaspa dolphin, right, to be in this category of a dolphin, you would need 100,000 Kaspa. Okay, 100,000 to a million. Okay, so understand, if you guys aren't fat crabs or an octopus or a fish, and you have that goal in mind of becoming a dolphin, you want to be in this category, right? That's your goal. Understand, I believe in you, right? So believe in yourself. You guys can do it. Just dollar cost average. Be consistent with it. Whether that's just, $10 a week, that's completely fine. Okay, find what works out for you guys. Okay, just DCA. Okay, buy a little bit of Kaspa. It could be daily or it could be weekly or fortnightly, every 2 weeks or monthly. It's really up to you. Like I said, find what works out for you. Be consistent with it. Okay, DCA, right? And you will eventually become a dolphin. Okay, and personally, guys, okay, I'm in this category of a dolphin. And my main, goal of right now is to become a shark, of course, right? So I said this, okay, easiest time to become a shark as well, right? So I would need, in AUD terms, okay, in AUD currency, over 70k, okay, which is quite a bit, okay, but understand, guys, okay, I am more than halfway there to becoming a shark, right, a Kaspa shark, to be in that category of becoming a shark. So if Kaspa continues to, trade below, at these 10 cent levels, and I just consistently, DCA into Casper like what I'm doing for the past few months, right? I will easily, okay, I feel like honestly, I would easily become a Casper shark in the next upcoming few months. I truly do believe in that, guys. So that's why I've been telling guys many times, I don't mind if Casper stays below 10 cents in the next upcoming few months. Honestly, I do not mind. I'm going to take it as an opportunity to load up as much as I possibly can so I can become a shark, right? To be in this category. Like, this is my next goal, okay? And I am more than halfway there. And I really do believe I will eventually get there, guys. Okay, so I don't mind if Casper continues to trade below 10 cents, in the next upcoming few months. Okay, I really don't mind, guys. Okay, and if I do see Casper going lower to like 3 cents, 2 cents, even at 1 cent, okay, I'm going to take it as a huge opportunity to load up. Why not? Okay, and I think, okay, or looking at this first, okay, dolphin, okay, soon to a shark, right? This is what I posted a couple of days ago. So this is my next goal, guys. Okay, I've been telling you guys, okay, on X, right, that this is my next goal, okay, to become a shark. And I think there is science. Okay, so this photo was taken a couple months back. I believe I went fishing like back late of August or early September, somewhere around there. Okay, and I said here, I caught a shark, and I think this means I'll be in shark territory for Casper soon. It's a sign, and I think it is a clear sign. Okay, like, this is a sign that I'm gonna become, okay, a shark for Casper. I'm gonna be in this category. Okay, so yeah, you guys can clearly see this is clearly a shark, right? This is like a baby shark. I have no idea what type of shark it is. Okay, and I'm not a huge fan of fishing, guys. Like, let me know in the comments below. Are you guys huge fans of fishing? Okay, I went out with a friend of mine, and he loves fishing, so I went with him. And yeah, I have never went fishing ever since then because, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of fishing. I feel like you need a lot of patience. I mean, I don't mind it at times, but yeah, that is that. So yeah, I was very, very surprised that I caught a shark, guys. This was actually my first ever shark I caught as well. I was actually very, very surprised. But yeah, I think this is a clear sign, guys, that I am going to be in shark territory for Casper. Okay, this is a clear sign, right? But yeah, I also said here, who's loading up on Casper once it reaches the 3 cent levels? Okay, a fair few of you guys, are saying you are going to buy some. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, great to see other Caspians out there, people in the Casper community also going to load up on Casper once it does reaches the 3 cent level, because I think it is very, very possible that we do see Casper going down to the 3 cent levels. Like, that is very, very possible, especially if you're looking at the charts right now. Like, that is very, very possible for sure. Okay, but I also posted this yesterday, and this is very, very important, and I feel like this is gonna happen for sure, right, eventually. So I said here, understand this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy Casper at these price levels below 10 cents. Everyone that is on the sidelines for Casper will FOMO when it's in the dollar ranges. Mark my words. And this is facts, right? I'm pretty sure a lot of us can agree on this, okay? Everyone that is simply on the sidelines right now for Casper, everyone that is not, paying attention on Casper, everyone that is bearish on Casper, okay? They're not paying attention, they're bearish, okay? They're not studying Casper, they haven't came across Casper yet. Everyone that is simply just on the sidelines for Casper, they're going to FOMO in, guys. This is going to be happening. Once Casper is in the dollar ranges, whether that's at $1, $3, $5, $8, $10, and so on, there's going to be a lot of FOMO, okay? There's going to be a lot of FOMO, guys. Okay, right now, it's pretty quiet. Casper right now at these 4 cent levels, it is pretty quiet, okay? Not many people are paying attention right now for Casper. Okay, a lot of people are not loading up on Casper right now at these price levels. And some people are slowly losing faith for Casper. I've seen it. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of that happening recently, right? People were once bullish on Casper, but now they are slowly losing faith in Casper because of price action. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. I feel like they are just in it to make a quick buck. Okay, they don't understand where this project is heading long term. So understand, guys, everyone that is remaining calm, okay, continuing to buy Casper, to load up on Casper, and most importantly, holding their Casper for long term, they will be rewarded massively. Massively. I'm telling you guys this right now. And of course, this is not financial advice, guys, but I've done my own research on Kaspa. I've studied Kaspa, and I truly understand where this project is heading, right? I really, really do. And that's why I'm all in on Kaspa and Bitcoin, okay? And I'm just in it for long term, right? All these, Bitcoins that I'm accumulating and Kaspa that I'm accumulating, right? I'm in it for long term. I'm not planning on, taking quick profits. I'm simply in it for long term. I'm just simply buying and holding, okay? So that is that, guys. Of course, not financial advice, but understand FOMO will kick in for Kaspa. It's going to kick in, okay? So be ready for that, guys, okay? Now, also, I've been seeing this a lot recently, okay? And I say here, will Kaspa have its own run in 2026, which is next year? Okay, I see a fair few people, okay, in the community saying it. So yeah, I've been seeing this a fair bit recently, okay, that, people in the Kaspa community are in fact predicting and saying that Kaspa will have its own run in 2026. Is that possible? Next year, 2026, I told you guys many times that we should be entering a bear market. Okay, and that's when we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, and pretty much the entire crypto market dumping, right? And, a fair few people are in fact saying, in 2026, we could potentially see Kaspa having its own run. And I think that is possible because you guys need to understand, looking at the Kaspa chart real quick, right? Back in 2023, Kaspa was truly having its own run. I don't know if you guys remember this, okay? But yeah, you guys can clearly see Kaspa was in fact having its own run. Okay, it was actually looking pretty good for Kaspa in 2023. Like, I remember in 2023, yeah, Bitcoin was slowly gaining back its momentum or slowly bounced back up to the upside. Altcoins were also slightly bounced back up, but man, Kaspa just went parabolic. Look at this. Okay, look at these candles, guys, right? And we're currently in the weekly time frame. So yeah, Kaspa did for sure have its own run in 2023. Like, are we going to see something similar next year in 2026? Because that's what a fair few people in the Kaspa community are in fact predicting. Okay, we'll have to see, guys. Okay, we will have to see, right? But like I said, I don't mind if Kaspa does stay, below these 10-cent levels, because I'm truly trying my best right now to become a shark, guys. I really want to become a shark, and I really do believe if Kaspa continues to trade below 10 cents and I continue to DCA into Kaspa consistently in the next few months, I will for sure become a shark. So that's my main goal, guys. Okay, so like I said, today is DCA day, so I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy more Kaspa. So today I'll be investing $1,650 into Kaspa, okay, and I'll be getting over 22,000 Kaspa, which sounds good to me. So confirm buy, and there we have it, guys. Okay, so today I bought more Kaspa, and I hope you guys I truly do hope you guys are in fact, taking this as an opportunity to buy more Kaspa, okay? And once I do become a shark, I will obviously become, give you guys an update on that, of course, okay? But like I said, okay, if you guys want to become, dolphins, to be in this category of a dolphin, like, it is very, very possible, even a shark, okay? If you guys want to become a shark, if you guys have that same goal, like me, you're currently a dolphin, you want to become a shark, it is possible as well. Okay, I understand that. And right now is the easiest time to do that because, man, Kaspa, right, it's super undervalued. It's so cheap, right? This is the easiest time right now to become a shark and even a dolphin, right? It really, really is, guys. So yeah, I bought more Kaspa today. Hope you guys are in fact taking this as an opportunity to buy some Kaspa at these 4-cent levels. And like I said, if Kaspa does drop back down to 3 cents or lower, you bet. Okay, you bet I'm going to buy more Kaspa once it's at those price levels. So that being said, guys, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is always much, much appreciated. And yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.